Hello students, today I am going to start chapter 8, that is weather and climate, in which today we will read three subtopics, that is weather, climate and factors affecting the climate of a place. So first of all students, we should know what is weather, and next we will know about climate. Now, weather is the condition of air at a particular time and at a particular place is called weather. And it may be hot, cold, sunny, rainy, humid, or cloudy. And weather changes from day to day or even from hour to hour. And the hot weather today can be breezy and cold tomorrow. So it is weather. Now, what is climate? Climate is the average weather condition over a long period at a place is called climate, and it is a permanent condition. And climate takes a very long time to change, and it differs from place to place all over the world. So this was climate. I hope you understand the difference between weather and climate, that weather changes from day to day or even from hour to hour, and climate, it's a permanent condition and it takes a very long time to change. So this was about weather and climate. Now our next subtopic from the chapter is factors affecting the climate of a place. Now here there are 6 major factors affecting the climate of a place, and number 1 is latitude. Now you see one picture, then you will understand how this factor affect the climate. Latitude. Latitude denotes the distance from the equator, and sun rays heat up the earth and they fall vertically over the equator. The sun rays travel a short distance to reach the small area of the equator, and so the equator and places near the equator are hotter than places far away from the equator. You see the picture carefully, then you will understand it. The sun rays travel a longer distance to reach the poles and spread over a large area, and the heat gets distributed. Therefore, the poles are colder than other areas. So, this is about latitude. And the second factor is altitude. In this, the height of a place above the sea is called altitude. The higher a place from the sea level, the cooler it will be. Even if two places are at the same distance from the equator, the one at a higher altitude will be cooler. For example, both Chandigarh and Kedarnath are at an equal distance from the equator, but Kedarnath is cold and Chandigarh has a warm climate. It is because Kedarnath is 3,583 meter above the sea level and Chandigarh is only 321 meter above the sea level. So, in this way, this altitude affects the climate. Now, the third factor is winds. Now, winds are responsible for carrying the weather of one place to another. Hot winds from a region may blow to cooler places and raise its temperature. For example, hot winds blowing from the Thar Desert lead to very hot temperature in Delhi during summers. In the same way, cold winds blowing into a hot region may lower its temperature, and winds laden with moisture result in rainfall. So, in this way, wind affects the climate. Now, the next subtopic is distance from the sea. Now, here, places close to the sea experience equable or moderate climate, and it is neither too hot nor too cold because of the difference in the temperature of water and the land. Land heats up faster than the water, and during the day, hot air above the land rises and is replaced by cold winds blowing in from the sea. They keep the land cool and are called sea breeze. Now here you can see the picture in this way how it land cool and it is called the sea breeze. Now the next picture is of land breeze. Once again you see the picture. At night the land is cooler than the sea water. Therefore warm sea breeze rises and is replaced by cold winds coming from the land. They keep the sea cool and are called land breeze. So this was about distance from the sea. Now the next factor is humidity. Now here also one picture is there. You see the picture. The amount of moisture in the air at a given point of time is called humidity, and humidity influences the climate of a place. The places near the equator are very humid because the process of evaporation of sea water is faster there, and moisture laden winds bring frequent rains in the regions close to the equator, and the places that do not experience humidity often turn into deserts like the Thar Desert in India. So this was about humidity, and the last factor is ocean currents. Here there can be warm or cold ocean currents, and the temperature of the ocean currents affects the climates of the area. So this was about factors affecting the climate of a place. So here up to here today only. Once again you read it, the chapter and the factors affecting the climate of a place. And here your classwork is, you will draw the picture of sun rays falling on the earth from page number 64. This will be your classwork. Okay, thank you.